Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to program feeder modules using your I-Gard command center. To begin, make sure you're on the home screen and that you're in admin mode. Now you can click settings on the left hand side, then select feeder module settings. This page will show you your current feeder modules if you have any. Each feeder module will have its own unique name and ID number. Click the Add and Remove Feeder Module button. On this page, you have the option to remove existing feeder modules or to add new feeder modules. To add a new feeder module, start by assigning it a unique ID number using the drop-down menu provided. Then, use the empty name field to assign the new feeder module a descriptive name. Now select whether the feeder module will trip on the first or second fault. If you program your feeder module to trip on the first fault, you need to give it a delay. You can assign your delay in hours or minutes. Because I chose to trip on the second fault, I do not need to give my feeder a delay, but I do need to give it a priority number. The higher the number, the higher the priority. Now that all the settings are decided, confirm the information by pressing Program Feeder Module. Then, you need to go to the physical feeder module and press the Program Feeder button. After you have physically pressed this button on the module, come back and click Enter on your I-Gard command center. And that's it. You have now successfully programmed a new feeder module. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you need any more assistance, please feel free to give us a call at 905-673-1553, and one of our technical support engineers will gladly assist, or visit www.i-gard.com for more resources.